Hello everybody, my name is Ishan and today's video is a little announcement video I wanted to make before I go on making changes that you might or you might not know about. First things first, I will no longer be making God modes for any game anymore. I do not want to bore you with the details for why, so just assume that I cannot sustain this channel at this point by myself. Now, since I do not want you people to be left in the dark, I will be uploading one last video series about how to make your own God modes. This guide will be uploaded on my channel both here on YouTube and on Odysee. Please make sure you are subscribed to my Odysee channel because I might end up uploading some of the videos only on Odysee. The reason behind that is basically the fact that YouTube's copyright system is beyond broken. People can claim fake copyright strikes and I won't be able to do shit about that since YouTube just hands over the requests back to those who claimed it. There is a certain group of developers who do not want us to have fun in their games and they will do anything to bring this channel down. I won't take their name or even their game's name in order to make sure there is no attack point for this video. But yeah, just make sure you are subscribed to my Odysee channel. Also, you now need to join my Discord server because I have officially stopped looking at the comments because it is becoming a little too difficult to handle those. If you need help with anything God mode related, then Discord is the only place for you to contact me. And if you do not have an account on Discord or you are very new to Discord, just make sure it has been at least 24 hours since you made your account before you can join my Discord server, because the bots will automatically ban you if your account has less than 24 hours of age. That's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video, so make sure you followed my instructions and I will see you in the next video.